Today, look what I've got. Yeah, you may never believe this because I heard people that this type of puppet looks so massive. Yeah, looks so gigantic. Yeah, but people wonder why does this thing look big as it doesn't seem to look as how it looks just like than the other ones they prefer. But we're gonna talk about that in a moment. So this is the 1 to 100 puppet chart. I'm sure you've heard it before, or maybe you've watched in other videos of this. Yeah, so you can guys see that they all range the numbers from 1 to 100. Yep, all the way down to 100 in a perfect square base. Yeah, and every column that it has different colors, you know. Yeah, I bought this from Temu, which is an online store, because you've seen that in my from a short about my new puppet bath skills. Yeah, so we're gonna talk about with this thing over here, and I can teach you as exactly how I show you. So here's how you can use it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So you can carefully guys see that in every rows that all numbers are in the ascended order, just like that. I'm sure you guys see it. It's probably a little bit dark. Why don't we go a little bit lighter? Alright. So, whatever you do is when you pop any number on a puppet, it shows you as what number it is. So, let's start with I'm gonna go for 15. That's how old I am. So you see that number 15 is right over here. So I'm gonna pop it. See? It pop. It tells you what number it is. Then you just push it back up. Okay, I'm gonna go for 35, which is here on the purple column. I'm gonna go for 48 right here, which is on the second yellow column. Nicely done. So another thing is what you can do is to learn about the place value and the digits. So the difference between place values and the digits, so excuse me, the place values, it shows us about what represents there as within each numbers that you see onto those digits. Like you're just discussing about whichever place, yeah, the place of the number. And for the digits is what it's called is the part of the number. So I'm going to pop, let's say number 24. Because you see, 24 is right over there. Yeah, so the value for here, like this place, you see that's on the 20s to the 30s digit. And so this where it ends with fours in this column. So I'm gonna pop it first. And for the digit, the number, oops, that's 34. Okay, so the number when I popped, yeah, so the tens digit is the 2, and the ones digit is the 4. Because this is the 20s row, and this is the 4s column. Or you can call that as a section. Yeah, when you were learning about the value skills in general. Let's go for number 57. So right over there, 57. Yep. Because we have here on the second orange column, and also here on the 50s. You see that place? Yeah. So we got the 7s column and the 50s row all the way to 60. Thus, the number 57, the number I popped, is that the 5 is in the tens place, while 7 is in the ones place. That's the digits of 57. It's easy for you to know this because I am a part of math, like for learning. Yeah, which is really great and just for fun. Another thing is what you can learn about adding and subtracting. So let's focus on adding first. Okay, so I'm going to say what's 33 plus added by 25. So, gonna start on 23. As you begin when you're counting, when you're adding, you just continue counting. Like you already guys know. So, if I want to add 25, so you could say 1, 2, 3, yep, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, oops, 40, okay, so that's 33 plus 7, but 33 plus 25 is the one I'm looking for. 41, 42, 43, because in the first number pops, it always starts before you move. Yeah. So actually, what you can do is the second number, if you want to add, make sure you always take a look at the values. Yeah, like in general. So you can see that each digit represents that's how you are going to add up to, like in just one numerical value, and you can just keep on by doing it through the digits. Yeah. So I'm gonna say, because 33 plus 25 is the one I'm looking for. So if I'm gonna make this simple, we can do that into tens. Because you see, the number 25, the 2 is on the tens digit and 5 is on the ones place. Yeah, should call it place, as when describing numbers, it's digits. So you keep going. Yeah, you try to make this simple. Okay, so now we have 33 plus okay, so that's 20 already. I only need 5 more to see the number that I was looking for. Okay, so 5 more, we've got 21, that's 54, 22, that's 55, 23, that's 56, 24, that's 57, and last but not the least, yeah, 33 plus 25 equals 58. Yeah, 58. Yeah, so when you were gonna do this method, like when you were adding bigger numbers, all you need to do is use this because this is a quick and easy trick for you to use. So let's go for subtraction. I'm gonna say is 72 minus, I'll say minus 38. So 72 minus 38. So when you are subtracting, that means like starting from this number, you look for the difference. Like I'll tell you the trick is to count down, like from all the way up to the number what it reduced. Okay, so 72 minus 38, I'll say. So you've got yep. So that's 72 minus 10, that's 62. Okay, can you see it? 62. Yep, 72 minus 20 equals 52. Now I have to keep going and I can make sure to check what the number that I was looking for. Okay. And do you see this? Yeah. So 72, which one's right over there, minus 38. You see that? So we've got, so I'm gonna set 10, 20, 30, and all the way up to 38. Yeah. So that equals to number 34. Because 72 minus 38 equals 34. So when you're gonna try to do this, you may not try to memorize it or stop thinking it for like too long. You can use your fingers instead, like you gotta do the tens, or you can even use this puppet chart, which will engage you to a better, quickest way for you to understand. So I hope you like this. You can just look for this product in any of the online stores, and I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching.